it's snowing in Texas. This doesn't happen very often, but look at the size of those snowflakes. Currently it's about 34 degrees, so I don't know if it'll stick. It is above freezing right now. But with flakes this size, it's not going to take long before the ground is solid white. You see the palm tree covered up in snow. Very interesting. At this rate, if this continues for an hour, we could get probably 2 inches of snow at least. And you probably won't see any grass. But I'm not going to stay out here much longer. It is cold. But again, it's not below freezing. So I don't know if it'll stick. I hope it does. That would be cool. Millions of snowflakes coming down, and they're huge. This doesn't happen every year here. It's a shame it's happening at night, but you know what? It probably couldn't happen here in the day anyway. Daytime it's very rare that we have a day here where the high temperature is below freezing, so for it to snow, it almost has to happen at night. The snow is hitting the fence and piling up right there. Yeah, look, this stuff's melting as it hits the ground. That's a shame. We get snow here like, maybe twice a decade. 3 or 4 times maybe a decade. And this time, doesn't look like it's going to stick. A lot of that is already melted. I don't know, it looks like it might be sticking a little bit. Certainly sticking to the palm tree. Ground is not frozen. I'm a little concerned about whether or not the snow is going to accumulate. Yeah, I don't know. I'm having doubts now. I thought it looked like it was in the backyard, but up here, not so much. It's just like 2 degrees too warm. We missed it by that much. But for the time being, it is snowing. And the temperature's dropping still, so wow. That Got to be careful where you walk right here because some of this could be frozen. We're hovering right above freezing. It's 33 right now, so I can't rule out some ice, but oh wow, that car's covered in snow. That is cool. You can really see it on the cars. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. Snow's piling up right there in the corner. Oh, the snow looks like it's dying down. Look at that. Or I don't know, it might be getting blocked by this house here. That could be it. Yeah, it looks like it's quite a bit thicker way out there. I'm not going driving anywhere now, that's for sure. Although I can hear the highway from here, there's plenty of cars on it. I think my fingers are dead. I think they're about ready to fall off. I don't know if you can see it, but that guy's roof is just about covered in snow. Golly, the wind is brutal. This is pretty much a blizzard right here. I mean, this is not a little bit of snow, this is a lot. This is a snowstorm, that's what this is. Snowy palm tree. That palm's like, what the hell is going on? It was 72 degrees 5 hours ago. Now it's 33 degrees and snowing. What the hell is going on? Well, the temperature continues to drop, so as long as it keeps snowing, I think in about an hour or so it should start piling up. I think right now it's pretty obvious it's still melting because you can see the gutter right there. That's not a good sign. Well, it's a good sign if you hate snow. It's a bad night for homeless people.